Run. This is one two. I'm going to do a bunch of holes. Fast Mazda RX-7 FD. 1.5 fast tuner. Here's the back. Here's the other ones you can get. Decent Silva S15, Nissan 240 SX S14, 2016 Supra WRX STI, Honda Civic EG. These from Tulsa. Here's the car. It has cool details on it. It's red, 0R4 and 63, and it says Julius 45673 0RNG JUS, and it has coal numbers on it, and it has license plate, and it has 4 wheels. It says 95 Mazda RX-7, and it has Hot Wheels logo, and that is pretty cool. And it has windows, it has door, and that's it. Please watch box here, the holes, Fast and Furious, Mazda RX-7 FD diecast.